Hi everyone, this is your pal Kate Hart here, and today we are going to be going over liquid lipsticks. Alright, so let's take a look at some of these colors here that I have in the liquid lipsticks. I have two made by MAC, and the rest are made by Victoria's Secret, so it's like a bunch of lip collections that I have here. So let's go over the MAC ones. These are called the Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color Collection, and this is a black one here that I have, and this color is called Caviar. I absolutely love this. This, I'd have to say, is probably my favorite black lipstick that I own. Of course, I have several different other ones with different looks and finishes and all, but I'd just say this is probably my favorite because it's just like a kind of feeling. And then this, I have a nice bright red here, and this is in the color Fashion Legacy. Okay, so I'm going to show you everything on my arm here just so you can have a feel of what it would look like on my skin tone, and of course this way you can match it according to your skin tone as well. Okay, so let's start with the MAC Caviar. I don't mean to brag about this, but I love this. And this got a nice little wand to it. So here's the Caviar. Voila! And what's nice is it kind of has like a little vanilla scent to it, and like a little bit of like a taste to it, which I absolutely love when lipsticks come that way. I just love vanilla. And then here is the Fashion Legacy color. So here we go. Voila! Look at that. This is a very nice color. Okay, so now we're going to start with our Victoria's Secret collection here, and this is called the Velvet Matte, and this is actually, I'm sorry, I thought this was liquid here, but we're just going to continue on in the video with these. These are cream lip stains here. I mean, it's pretty much similar to these. This is just the Victoria's Secret version of it. So this color here is in the color Scandalous. So it's kind of like a fuchsia color. Okay, so I'm going to let you see here. So it's like a nice little berry color there. Got your purple pinky color. And so this is in the color Desire. What's your desire, honey? Okay, let's go for Desire. Here we go. This is also a nice color too. Gives you that nice bright red. And there's the red. So if you compare with this red and the MAC red, it's a pretty nice color there. Okay, next we have the Velvet Matte Victoria's Secret in the color So Gorgeous. Don't mean to brag, but I'm so gorgeous. This is a very, like a light bubblegum pink color. I really like this color. And then we'll put this here. Ooh, that's very bubblegum. I know my lighting is kind of crappy today because I got a bright sun behind me and I got my lights here, and sometimes everything is just a tad overexposed, and I'm just trying to underexpose it a little bit, and it's very hard. Alright, next we have the Velvet Matte in the Unpredictable. This is actually a pretty color too. This, I think, is like a Merlot color, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, see, you got that nice Merlot color. This makes a great fall color. So here we have, I'm going to actually put this on the other side here so you can. Yeah, this one I find you have to put on a couple times, but yeah, this is the unpredictable color. It's like a Merlot kind of color. Next we have a Total Flirt. Little rascal you. And this is kind of like, I don't know what kind of a purple you would call this. This is kind of like a light purple color to this. It kind of reminds me of yogurt. But there's the Total Flirt. Okay. This is called this color is called Wanted. Ooh. And this is kind of like a nice mauve brown color. And this is also a pretty color for fall too. Look at that right there. Wanted. I just have fun playing with names and stuff. Okay, next we have Perfection. This is also a nice mauve color too. Actually, this is more mauve than the other one. Let's see here in a minute, so you can compare the two. Let's see how you have more of the pink nude versus the nude there. Yeah. So this is also a nice fall color. I kind of like this on very subtle looks too. It's just like a nice evening out, you know. I recommend that color for sure. Okay, so I got two different ones out of the Victoria's Secret collection. It's called the Pure Metal, and this is the same thing as these guys, except it's a more metallic look to it. So they call it like an intense lip lacquer, but this one is in the color Glow. Now sometimes I'll take one of these colors and put these on top, and it also gives a nice finish to it too. So here we go. This is Glow. Very pretty color. I love this, like especially for winter time. Even the summer it's very nice. So here, I have to lower it up. So there's the gold right here. I don't know if you can really see it that well, but it's very metallic. Got a nice finish to it. Love it even for New Year's Eve. This is the perfect color for New Year's Eve. And last but not least, this is in Lights. I love this one. It's like a copper gold color. This is very, very nice. There's a nice, I feel like a woodland fairy with this. But here is the Lights color here. Yep. So there is all my liquid and cream lipstick collection. So what I can do is in my next video with the lip liner, I'll show you two different colors on the bottom and my upper lip with the lip liners, just so you can get a feel of these guys, because it's really, really cool. And I'll also show you black lips in another video, only because I would do it today, but the thing is, once I wipe this off, it just, you know, it takes forever to clean off. So that's the only bummer part about that. But other than that, I will show a tutorial on black lips for another day. All right, so I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next episode. Love you all, bye.